Hello everybody! In this lesson I will teach you how to find the length of a side of a triangle using trigonometry and your calculator. In a right angle triangle, if one side and one angle is given, it is possible to calculate the other side using trigonometry. Now here's the example. Find the missing side as indicated by the variable. Now we go to the angle and then we start with sin and we say, what is sin's ratio? Sin's ratio is opposite over hypotenuse, so that one won't work. Then we try cos. Cos's ratio is adjacent over hypotenuse. That one will work. And then now we're going to substitute in the values. So cos 31,8 equals, and adjacent is b over, and the hypotenuse is 10,3. Now I want to solve b. Therefore, I will multiply on the left and on the right hand side with 10,3. This will cancel. So now I'm here, and this is where I'm going to now slot the values into my calculator. The steps are, you enter 10,3 times cos, and there's your cos button, 31,8, and you have to close the bracket, equals, and the answer, b's value is 8,8. Find the missing side as indicated by the variable. So we are looking for the length of k. Again, we go to the given angle, the 21,8, and we start with sin. Sin's ratio is opposite over hypotenuse. It will work. So you write sin 21,8 degrees is opposite over hypotenuse. Now you substitute. Sin 21,8 equals, and in opposites place you substitute k, and in the hypotenuse's place you substitute 9,3. So now you want to solve k, so let's get rid of 9,3. So we multiply on the right and on the left hand side by 9,3, and on the right hand side they will cancel. So now I want to solve k, and I'm going to use my calculator. And here are the steps. So you enter 9,3 times, and there's the sin button, 21,8 close bracket equals, and the value for k is 3,5. Find the missing side as indicated by the variable. So in this one we're going to solve t. We start with sin. Sin opposite over hypotenuse. It won't work. Cos 24, cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. It won't work. Then I hope it's tan. Tan 24,7, tan is opposite over adjacent. It works. Now we substitute. Tan 24,7 is equal to, the opposite is t over, and the adjacent is 14,6. Let's solve t. So we get rid of 14,6 and we multiply both sides by 14,6. And on the right hand side, the 14,6 will cancel. Then here are the steps with your calculator. 14,6 times tan, there's your tan button, 24,7 close bracket, and equals, and your answer t is equal to 6,7. Find the missing side as indicated by the variable. So we want j. So this one, cos, is the one that's going to give us the answer. Cos 19,5 is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Then you can substitute. Cos 19,5 is equal. The adjacent side's length is 5,6 over, and the hypotenuse is j. So now our j is under the line. That's a problem. So we will multiply both sides by j, and here j and j will cancel. So on the left hand side, I'm left with j times cos 19,5. So I want to get rid of the cos 19,5, and therefore I will divide it away both sides. So on the left hand side, cos 19,5 will cancel, and I'm left with j is equal to 5,6 divided by cos 19,5. And the steps are: you enter 5.6, divide, there's your cos button, cos 19,5 equals, and the answer j is 5,9. In the next lesson, I will show you how to find the sizes of angles of a triangle using trigonometry and your calculator. Click on the video in the left hand corner to take you straight to the next lesson.